Changing the turn signal on my 2004 Suzuki V-Strom. I call it the V-Stromo. This nut on the back must be a 17 because it says 11/16 fits well enough to work with it. One little trick to use the original wiring, because it's got this great connector already on it. Tiny little lip there. You've got to get the cover lifted off of that. Helpful hint. I'm also cutting a line to run the wiring into this because it won't all fit through the old housing. I'm going to try to reuse that with the new piece, marrying all the hardware from around the world to make a turn signal again on the V-Stromo.